Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. So cybersecurity jobs can vary significantly in their stress levels depending on factors like responsibilities, work environment, and individual resilience. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a general ranking of cybersecurity roles from potentially less stressful to more stressful. So let's talk about lower stress roles. You have IT specialist. This entry-level position typically involves basic IT support and security tasks. The stress level is generally lower due to more routine responsibilities and less critical decision making. You have junior network administrator. While responsible for network security, junior admins usually have more senior team members to rely on for guidance, potentially reducing stress. Now let's get into moderate stress roles, right? We're upping the spicy level a little bit. We're upping the spicy levels a little bit. So we have cloud support engineer. These professionals manage cloud security, which can make that it could be demanding, right? But often allows for more structured work hours. You have desktop administrator, which is responsible for endpoint security. This role can be moderately stressful due to the need to balance user needs with security requirements. You have cybersecurity analyst. This role involves monitoring and responding to security incidents. While it can be intense at times, it's often, has more predictable workflows than some higher level positions. Now let's talk about higher stress roles. You have senior cybersecurity engineer with increased responsibilities and the need to make critical decisions. This role tends to be more stressful. Cybersecurity program manager, managing entire security programs and teams can lead to high stress levels due to the scope of responsibilities. You have the principal security analyst. This senior level position often involves high stakes decision making and can be particularly stressful during major security incidents. Okay. Now, when you think about it, right, there are factors contributing to stress. Multiple factors can, these factors contribute to it, right? You have the constant threat landscape that changes, high stakes and accountability. You have the lack of resources and budget constraints. You have long hours and on-call duties. You have pressure to prevent insider threats. It's important to note that stress levels can vary greatly depending on the specific organization, team dynamics, and many individual coping mechanisms. Many cybersecurity professionals find ways to manage stress effectively and enjoy highly rewarding careers despite the challenges. How does the constant threat landscape, change affect cybersecurity professionals? So the constant changing threat landscape is, in cybersecurity has a significant impact on cybersecurity professionals, contributing to high stress levels and various challenges in their roles. Things are always changing in the tech world. Things are always changing, right? So that is a major factor. You have increased pressure and stress, right? The constant vigilance. Cybersecurity professionals must remain constantly alert and ready to respond to new and evolving threats. This need for perpetual vigilance can lead to mental fatigue and increased stress levels. You have rapid adaptation. The fast-paced evolution of cyber threats requires professionals to continually learn and adapt their skills. This constant need to stay updated adds pressure and stress to their work. You have professional challenges, right? Skill development. Professionals must engage in ongoing training and skill development to keep up with the emerging threats and technologies. This continuous learning process can be demanding and time-consuming. Those are, one of the things, right? So I talked about it in my last video. You have Search GPT, OpenAI, ChatGPT. With each technology, while it is, welcome, we welcome innovation. Innovation comes with change, and with change comes with how, hackers can take advantage of it. Hackers can take advantage of various things. The Flipper Zero, Bluetooth. Flipper Zero was a new hot thing, and then there's the Mesh-tastic, and there's all these kinds of things. And then, another factor is you look at it, there is financial loss, ransomware attacks, things of that nature. Financial loss affects the bottom line of companies. That makes things messy and frustrated. All kinds of things. Well, that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment, if you like this video, to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.